Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through adding cleaning solution to your Mova V70. If you're interested in the V70, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals and our newly released robot vacuum comparison tool. So be sure to check those links in the description. So on our station right here, we got to pop this cover off. That's going to reveal our solution tank where we can add our cleaning solution. And they're clearly marked and labeled for you A and B. A is going to be your multi-surface floor cleaner. B is going to be your specialized cleaning solution. So think pet odor solution or wood floor care solution. So you can pop this open, and right out of the box, by default, with this unit, you get your multi-surface floor cleaner. So with the V70 Ultra Complete, you get this nice big bottle here. Multi-surface floor cleaner, you're going to want to fill up the first compartment A. With that, once it's full, shut the lid. And then they give you pet odor solution. But again, you could use the wood floor solution in here. It's up to you what you want, prefer, or what you get out of the box. So we could just dump our pet solution in B. Once that's full, then we take our module, and it just pops right back into the station. Then we go ahead, we take the cover, and that just gently snaps back on as well. Actually, yep, I don't know what's going on there. Just gently snap that cover on just like you see there, and you're all set and ready to go.